welcome back to another episode, guys. I am at work. We just wrapped up, the day is done, so the weekend is officially over. So on this week's episode, we're going to basically do something a little new to the channel, at least, and it's a food episode. In essence, I'm gonna bust you on, I'm gonna put you guys onto a plug, a wicked spot. It's called Dumplin Shop, and it's down by Walton Park Road. I'll drop in the whole directions to get there, and we're going to get some saltfish and dumpling. It's actually escovitch saltfish. So yeah, anywho, follow through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know some interesting foods you guys have tried. This one is fire, and you'll get the reaction aspect of the video and the cinematics very soon. Anyhow, boom bam, big up. Hey guys, welcome back to the episode. So this is how you find Dumplin Shop. Just type in Dumplin Shop. It's on Waltham Road. I'll show you the time lapse next. And it's a little hole in the wall, like literally. And you would just go boom. No, not Ren's Auto, Dumplin Shop. Directions. Boom bam. Yeah. Hello. You have saltfish? Yeah, you have saltfish? So yeah guys, this is Dumplin Shop. Kinda loud. Yeah chief, you have saltfish? Alright, give me 2. Yeah. And saltfish $100, right?
150 no.
150. Actually, it's a 3 bills that. And then give me 5 dumplings.
So from this alone with nobody will know what
So 5 bills, right?
5 bills.
Respect, yeah?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Is that the name place?
Dumplin Shop.
Dumplin Shop. Respect, yeah?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Alright, peeps. Alright. So to the yard right now. We got the food. It's everything came up to $500, and that's like flavorful and to the point, you know, like a good portion. So homeward bound, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna plate it, I'm gonna hook it up and get some reactions. You know, wifey's never had their food before, so you should probably be in for a treat on facial reactions. And yeah, love this spot. You know, it's the great
Dumplin Shop.
Alright guys, so this is the food plated. You know, it's not super fancy, but it's good tasting food, and it's from a wicked spot. Like, check it out. Awesome. And I'll tell you, you guys are going to start hearing about how the actual food go. It's escovitch, which is in Jamaica. It's scallion. Well, no, not scallion. Onion. I ain't going to act like I'm a cook or a chef, but in essence, we use like a vinegar with like peppers, onions, I think a couple other seasoning, and we put it on fried saltfish. We put it on our fried fish. It's usually on fried items. And then this is dumpling. This is what I was telling you about. So yeah, coming up shortly with the reactions. Get some of that onion. It's always like a nice crunch. Dumplin Shop, you never fail, you know. You never fail at all. Like, the trick is to use the Johnny cakes or dumpling. Ooh, pepper. To cut the vinegar. Like, it's a proportionate thing, because like it's pretty salty as is, but like that's why you get the dumpling them. Love it. No, I dropped some. Alright, so I will tell you, it's pretty salty. But that's why you get like 4 or 5 dumplings. Like, yeah. Definitely not something you can eat every day. But good when you get it. So I'm going to do a reaction tomorrow with my parents. They're going to try some of the saltfish. I wanted my wife to try, but she's not feeling well, so wish her well in the comments, guys.
Should take a piece more.
It tastes good.
I don't taste it yet.
What, it look like it tastes good?
Wait.
Wifey does a thing where she doesn't let people know, doesn't let me know when it tastes good, but she'll order it again.
That's not true.
Let's get that close up.
People have not see the booger on my nose.
No book on the day, I know.
That's good. Salty.
Yeah, but that's why you get like that amount of dumpling.
That's nice. I love spice.
It's like the right amount of spice, though.
Hang on, dumpling them huge though.
Yeah, you never expect that, don't?
Like a tiny piece.
You know, I have to finish that piece, right?
That's actually a good dumpling.
It's a great dumpling. That's why it's called Dumplin Shop. You see that? You get why I was ranting and raving about this before? I'm a low-key fan.
Low-key, I'm gonna try to lose weight.
Well, we're not going to eat this every day, but you know.
Oh, yeah, we're not.
With a dead with like sodium issues. Anything that sodium give.
That's good though.
It's good.
Alright.
She has graced us with her presence. She wasn't feeling well a while ago. I just told you guys. But you got that reaction. She's the like top chef. She's
Oh
like,
my god, can we stop?
anyone who watches my IG stories, y'all know what's up. Steph is always doing some good stuff with food. But anyhow, like, so yeah, that's Dumplin Shop. That's the food. I'm debating whether I'm going to put the reaction of my parents in there or just finish this right now. It's looking very tasty. Maybe me and wifey might finish it right now. But yeah. Well, guys, I think that's it for our episode. So much for actually carrying it and letting my parents taste it. It was that good. Anywho, that's our epi. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. Anything you really feel like doing. I hope you enjoyed this one. Check out Dumplin Shop. Bye. Hold on there. Come back again. I want to show them, catch me and get the money. I want them catch me and get the money. Bring some from my parents. time lapses. Hi guys.